Good morning, students. So in the meanwhile, we had a vacation, puja vacation. So I was off for some days following puja vacation. So before that, we are discussing regarding mole concept. So I have just an introduction class regarding mole concept. Once again, I am summarizing. Mole means you have to remember three things. When we speak of mole, we have to speak of number of particles. This is one thing which you have to remember, number of particles. Then mass, then volume. And remember, this is only for gases. This can be applied only for gases. So when we speak of mole, we have to remember these three: number of particles, mass, and volume. Okay. Number of particles, I have already told you Avogadro number. Okay. Avogadro's number. Na, which is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Then in some books it is also given as 6.022, which is more appropriate, more correct, because the exact number is 6.02214 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, so if you remember 6.02 only, it's also enough. If you remember 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, it is also okay. Because whenever you will be asked anything, you will be given the data. Which value of Avogadro number you have to use. So if the data will be given as 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, you have to use that. If the data will be given as 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, you have to use that. If the data will be given as 6.02 into 10 to the power 23, you have to use that. तुमको जो डाटा दिया जीवो तुमको accordingly यूज करिया को पड़ेगा. যদি 6.023 দিয়াছি সেটা ইউজ করিব, যদি 6.022 দিয়াছি তাকে ইউজ করিব, যদি 6.02 দিয়াছি তাকে ইউজ করিব. So don't get confused. It's a big number. So exact number is 6.02214 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. But remember, it is a constant called as Avogadro's number. So one mole of any substance has this number of particles. So particles ko kya bujo? What do you mean by particles? Now it may be atoms, it may be molecules, it may be ions, it may be electrons, any particle. Okay. So how much particles it will have? Now Avogadro number of particles it will have. Okay. Then mass is equal to molar mass for molecules or gram atomic mass into atomicity. Molar mass, I have already told you, molar mass means when the mass of a molecule is expressed in grams or molecular mass is expressed in grams, it is called molar mass. Unit is gram per mole. So molar mass means unit will be gram per mole. That is called molar mass. What is molar mass? Now it is gram molecular mass. That means mass of a molecule, mass of 1 mole of molecules. Okay, that is called molar mass. Unit will be gram per mole. So for molecules it will be molar mass. For atoms it will be gram atomic mass into atomicity. If the atomicity is 1, then it will be gram atomic mass. If the atomicity is 2, then 2 into gram atomic mass. Same thing, gram atomic mass means atomic mass expressed in grams. Okay. Then for gases, the volume is fixed. For gases, the volume is fixed. That is, it occupies 22.4 liter volume at NTP, normal temperature and pressure. Normal temperature and pressure. That is 20 degrees centigrade or 293 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay. So you need not be confused regarding these things. Simply remember at MTP. That means normal temperature and pressure. Okay. So you have to summarize like this. When you speak of 1 mole, that means we can express in these 3 different ways. Okay. Number of particles, mass and volume. Be very clear regarding this. Okay. Simply if we speak of 1 mole of oxygen. 1 mole of oxygen. 1 mole of oxygen. That means O2. Okay. So what will be the number of particles? Now it will have 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Okay. So in terms of number of particles, no confusion. It will have Avogadro number of molecules. Then O2. O2 means molecular mass is 32. So what will be molar mass? 32 gram per mole. Or simply remember 32 gram. Okay. So what will be mass? 32 gram. 1 mole of oxygen will have mass 32 gram because 32 is the molar mass. Okay. Then oxygen is a gas. How much volume it will occupy? 22.4 liter volume at NTP. Okay. So if you remember like this, then you will have no problem at all to solve the numericals. Because these 3 are same. 1 mole of oxygen means this one, this one, this one. So these 3 are also same with each other. They have same quantity. Okay. Suppose, as I asked in the last class, calculate the mass of 10 liter oxygen. Calculate the mass of 10 liter oxygen. So how to start? Now you have to start like this. 1 mole of oxygen means it will have these number of molecules. Mass will be 32 gram and volume will be 22.4 liter. So my question is, what will be question 1, the assignment? What will be the mass of 10 liter O2 at NTP? I asked you as an assignment in the last class, in the last live class. So what is asked here? Mass and volume. That means these two will be same. Look at the key. We have asked regarding mass and volume. So you have to equate these two. Okay. So 22.4 liter of oxygen weighs 32 gram. You have to start. So these two will be same. It will be equal. So you will be starting from this one. So 22.4 liter O2 weighs 32 gram. Clearly visible here. It clearly देखिए 22.4 liter oxygen. तो ओजन कितना है ना 32 gram. So 1 liter oxygen will weigh कितना बोले 32 by 22.4 22.4 gram. Question was 10 liter oxygen. So 10 liter oxygen will weigh how much? Now 32 by 22.4 into 10 unit will be gram. So if we solve it, it will be around, let us see what will be the value. So 320 divided by 22.4, 14.28. So the answer will be 14.28 gram. Okay. So very simple, but you have to look at the key. So which thing has been asked to you? कौन तुमको पचरा है? So you try to write down all known substances in this form. 1 mole of, let us say, hydrogen. What will be the number of molecules? What will be its mass? What will be volume occupied at NTP? Because hydrogen is also a gas. Then my next question is question 2. What will be the volume or what will be the mass of 20 liter hydrogen H2 hydrogen at NTP. Just now I solved this one for oxygen. You have to solve this one as an assignment. So this is assignment number 1. What will be the mass of 20 liter hydrogen at NTP? So you write like this. You can solve it very easily. Only 2 to 3 steps will be required. But you have to remember like this. So this is the table which I have made for you. You have to remember that for every substance you can make this table so that you can get the link. Question jaha pachra aichi, we have to equate that. Only those two we have to equate because 1 mole of oxygen, look, these number of molecules, mass, volume. So these three are same with each other. So from this we can calculate anything. Okay. So next we will be solving some more. So next students will go for another numerical. Question 3 for today's class. Calculate the mass of one molecule of water. What is the question? Now you have to calculate the mass of one molecule of water. Water जदि आमे गोटे molecule नबा तार ओजन केते हबो. Okay. So you know the formula of water is H2O. So what will be molar mass? Now 2 into 1 for hydrogen atomic mass plus atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So molar mass is 18 gram per mole. So the molar mass of the given substance has to be calculated first. Look at the steps. So first we have to calculate the molar mass of the given substance. What is the given substance here? Now water H2. Okay. Then we will write, only to explain I am writing in details. So 1 mole of water means what? Now Avogadro number of molecules, that means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water H2. Then what will be the mass? Now molar mass 18 gram. What will be the mass of 1 mole of water? Now molar mass. That's why it is called molar mass, mass of 1 mole of substance. So 1 mole of water means this number of molecules and mass is this one. So these two are common, that means we can equate these two. And pachra is not now molecule and mass. So we have to equate these two. Amku jaha pachra is hame taku equate kariye. Okay. So we have been asked what is the mass of 1 molecule of water? So 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of water weighs 18 grams. So we will start from this. So 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water weighs how much? Now 18 gram. So unitary method we have to go for 1. So 1 molecule of water will weigh 18 by 6.023 into 10 power 23. So 18 divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 gram. Okay. So this is asked. You have to calculate 1 molecule of mass of 1 molecule of water. Let us see what will be the answer. So we have to find out 18 by 6.023. So 10 power 23 when it will go up upside, it will 10 power minus 23. So if we simplify, it will be like this: 18 divided by 6.023 into 10 power minus 23, 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Let us see what is the value of 18 by 6.023. 18 divided by 6.023. 2.988. 2.988. So it will be 2.988. This one will give you 2.988. It will remain unchanged. It unchanged into 10 power minus 23. So this is mass of one molecule of water. Okay. So from the question it is clear that what we have to relate na number of molecules and mass. Okay. जहाँ पचना है से अनुसार हमको equate करके solve करियो पड़ेगा. Okay. So then next question, assignment number 2. Assignment number 2. Assignment 2. Calculate the mass of one molecule of ammonia. Calculate the mass of one molecule of ammonia. So, same problem, same numerical. So, you have to solve it. First, you have to write down 1 mole of ammonia means how many molecules of ammonia and what will be its mass. What will be its mass? The molar mass. You can calculate the molecular mass, simply add gram. So, it will be molar mass. So, you have to solve like this. Okay. So, this is another type of numerical which you have to solve. Okay. Then next we will go for another. So next students, we have first gone for volume, mass. Then we went for molecules and mass. Then we will go for the third one. That is number of molecules and volume. Okay. So question number 5 for today's class. So how many molecules of methane CH4 will be there in 44.8 liter of it at NTP. How many molecules of methane will be there in 44 liter of it at NTP? 44 liter जदि हमें methane नब्बा, then how many molecules? इधर कितना molecules methane लो रहे? Okay. So this is the third type of relationship. It is what is asked? Molecules and volume. Number of molecules and volume, or number of particles and volume. Okay. So we have to start similarly. Answer 1 mole of the given substance. What is given here? 1 mole of methane. Okay. Means Avogadro number of molecules 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of methane. So it will have Avogadro number of molecules of methane. I have already told you. Then methane. What will be the molar mass? Carbon is 12 plus 4 into 1. That means molar mass will be 16 gram per mole. Okay. Then what is molar volume? Now volume occupied by 1 mole of gas. Methane is a gas. So how much volume it will occupy? First let us say regarding mass. So what will be mass of 1 mole of methane? 16 gram. Then volume, methane is a gas. How much volume it will occupy? Now molar volume. Volume occupied by 1 mole of gas is called molar volume. What is that? 22.4 liter. So you have to remember that molar volume is 22.4 liter at NTP. So because it is a gas, we can write 3 things regarding it. Okay. Then we have to go for the question. What has been asked? We have been asked regarding molecules and volume. So we have to equate these two. You have to be very selective. Okay. हमको जहाँ पचरा है हम ताकू नवा. Molecules and volume relationship has been asked. How many molecules of methane will be there in 44 point liter of heat at NTP? So we have to equate these two. Okay. So we have to start from this one. 22.4 liter of CH4 at NTP has how many molecules? Now what are the number of molecules? That is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Okay. So you have to write according to your question. Then unitary method, 1 liter of methane at NTP will have 6.023 divided by 22.4. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 22.4 molecules. Okay. So what is asked here? 44.8. So you have to write down this 44.8 liter of methane at NTP will have 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 22.4 into 44.8 into 44.8 molecules. So if you solve it, it will be into 2. So how many molecules will be there? Na into 2 means 12.046 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Okay. So this is how we have to solve these numericals based on number of molecules and volume. And remember, it is only applicable for gases, not for solids and liquids. So only for gases these questions will be asked. Okay. Then assignment 3. You write down. Assignment 3. How many molecules of oxygen will be there in 10 liter of heat at NTP? So this is the question. How many molecules of oxygen will be there in 10 liter of heat at NTP? That means if 10 liter of oxygen is taken at normal temperature and pressure, it will contain how many molecules of oxygen. Okay. So today I am not pressurizing you because we had a vacation. So only simple things we have discussed. That means we have to summarize like this. One more means we have to categorize in 3 ways. Number of particles. How many particles? Now Avogadro number of particles. That is 6.023 into 10.23 particles. So particles can be atoms, particles can be molecules, particles can be ions, particles can be electrons, protons, neutrons, anything. Okay. So Avogadro number of particles. You have to remember this. Then you will have a definite mass. What is the mass? Na molar mass. For molecules it will be molar mass. For atoms it will be gram atomic mass into atomicity. Then if it is a gas, it will occupy a fixed volume, that is called molar volume. What is molar volume? Now 22.4 liter volume at NTP. 1 mole of every gas occupy a fixed volume, that is called molar volume. Volume occupied by 1 mole of gas at NTP, that is 22.4 liter. So we have to remember these 3 terms. Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10.23. Then molar mass or gram molecular mass, same thing, only unit differs. Then molar volume 22.4 liter. Okay. So whenever you will ask any question, try to start like this. Okay. 1 mole of that substance, in how many ways you can express it. Okay. Every time I have done like this. So when you will be thorough in these numericals, you need not write in details. You can start write from this one. Okay. যেତେବେଳେ তুমি থরো হইଯିବ সেতেବେଳେ এমতি ন লেখিলে যদি চলুথিব তাহলে এটা লেখিবা দরকার নাই. So why I have mentioned it here? Because you will be thorough with these numericals. Okay. So I am not lengthening the class for today because it is the starting phase of mole concept. I'll take some 2 to 3 more classes on mole concept. So this is for today. See you in the next class.